Hi friends, it's Mrs. Kelly. Yesterday we worked on making our Veterans Day card or Veterans Day poster. So we drew together a flag and a bald eagle. Now I think you remember that I said you don't have to do this. You can do whatever you would like for a Veterans Day card or poster, but I just gave you these two examples. So for today, we're going to make some big block letters and make them look like they're going back into space with a background behind, or with a drop shadow or a shadow behind them. So I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? So just stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to put thank you veterans on mine. So his eye kind of smeared. That's okay. Thank you veterans. So I'm going to write this right here really small and really light. Just to make sure that everything is spelled correctly, so then whenever I'm using my block letters, I can just look up here so I don't have to focus on the spelling. I can just focus on making my letters, okay? That's what I like to do. So I'm going to start with my T. To make my T, I'm going to make a sideways rectangle, and then I'm going to make an up and down rectangle. For my H, I'm going to make an up and down rectangle. And I'm going to make a curved line. And then I'm going to make another curved line, and I'm going to connect those. For my A, I'm going to make a big C. And then I'm going to connect those with a line and make that into an up and down rectangle. For my N, I'm going to make another up and down rectangle. I'm going to make a curved line. And it's okay if it disappears behind my eagle. And I'm going to make another curved line. So I'm going to connect it. It would go right there if I could see behind my eagle. So now my K is also going to be behind my eagle. So to make my K, I'm going to make a big up and down rectangle. I'm going to make a sideways rectangle, or a vertical rectangle, and another vertical rectangle. So like a slanted one, okay? So now I can erase any lines that I don't need. Oh, I'm going to add my inside of my A. Draw my eye. Okay, so now I'm going to work on my U. So I'm going to start with two skinny rectangles. And they're both going to be slanted. And then I'm going to do an up and down rectangle. I'll do a big oval with an oval in the middle. And I'm going to do two straight lines and a curved line between them. And erase anywhere. Okay, so veterans is a big word, so I want to make sure that I'm drawing these pretty small so that I can fit all of the letters. So when I draw my V, I'm going to make one slanted line, and I'm going to make another slanted line like I'm making a V. Do two sideways lines, and make another V inside. Okay, so to make my E's, I'm going to make a giant C. I'm going to bring this line straight across and then make half of a C. I'm going to make that E a little bit bigger. So I'm going to make a big C, a line going across, and make half of a C. Okay? I'm going to make a curved line and a line. Okay, so to make my T, I'm going to make a big up and down rectangle, and then a sideways rectangle, Make my C or my E, we learn how to do that. So we're gonna make a big C. And the line straight across, make a half a C. So an R is just like an N. We're gonna make a rectangle, and then one curved line, another curved line, and meet them. And an A, we already made an A, you know, make a C, put a rectangle on the other side. And we made one of those, rectangle, big curved line, another big curved line. And then S is our heart. To make our S, first I'm gonna start with the top swoosh of my S. And then I'm going to and I want to do the middle swoosh of my S and bring this out to be the outside edge of my S. There we go. Okay, so now I can erase any lines that I don't need. Okay, so to make my letters look like they're going back into space, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a slanted line on any corner that is facing me. Then I can just draw those straight lines, connect all those together. And on the bottom. So same with your H. This kind of goes into my T. So then this one, we would have one back here behind your, you know, on the other side of your H2. So you just make a straight line going up and then curve. For your A, we're gonna make a slanted line. Okay, and same here, a slanted line coming off the top. Bring that back. This one needs to be straight. There we go. Just like our H. Okay, so we did our thank. Then we're gonna do our U. So just like we did our A, we kind of roll off the top and keep that line going. And same thing on the bottom, roll until you wouldn't see it anymore. Just like in the middle of our A, make that slanted line. Just like we did on our O, all the way until you wouldn't see it anymore. Okay, so our V, E is very much like our A again. Just kind of roll off the top. Our T, we have a lot of them on our T. Oh, missed one in our E, I'm sorry. Just like we did our A. And this is very similar to our U. Okay, our other E. Our R is just like our N, a little bit smaller. Here, an A again, roll it off the top, underneath. Another N. and then our S. So just like we did our E and our A, we're gonna roll it off the top. And we're gonna connect it, and then, oh, brought it down a little too far. Roll it off the top, and around. Then you're gonna do the same thing on this one. Awesome. So then you can shade these in. You can either do it with your pencil or with a colored pencil. And then you can shade or you can color your picture. And then once you are finished, I want you to take a picture of it and then submit it to the document, okay? So just like you did in the previous assignments. Do you have any questions? As always, you can email me at mkelly@gjsd.net, or you can do a private message inside the assignment, okay? So I can't wait to talk to you soon, and I will have office hours as well tomorrow. So make sure you look at that time. It should be on the stream, okay? It should be a post, so you should see that, okay? If you have any questions, let me know, okay? Bye-bye.